Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. In this video, I am going to explain the basic operations of tuples and built-in methods in tuples. Okay? Yeah. So first, let me see the basic operations like what and all available in tuples. Okay. First, let me list the operators. Okay. First is concatenation, repetition, length, minimum, maximum, sum, and membership. Okay, like these are like basic operations available in tuples. Okay, let me explain one by one. Okay, so first concatenation. Basically, what is this concatenation? Concatenation is nothing but this is used to add two tuples. Okay, like let me give an example. If I given there are like two tuples. Like first one is 10, 20, sorry, 10, 20, 30. Okay, and the second one is 40, 50, 60. Okay, yeah. So now I have I have wrote two tuples here. First one is A and second one is B. Now what I will do is I will create another variable called R for result. Now I need to add this. I need to add these two tuples. How can we add? We can add by using concatenation. Okay, concatenation. By using concatenation, we can add this. Sorry, yeah. So now, if I print R, I will be getting the combination of these two. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, for this purpose, like we'll be using concatenation to add two list or two tuples. Like we'll be using is concatenation. Okay, yeah. So the next one is repetition. So repetition is nothing but this is used to repeat the tuples, the complete tuples, like it will be repeats. Okay, so let me give an example. So let's take A is equal to 10, 20, 30. Okay, now I need to repeat this complete tuple into 4 times. Okay, for that I'll be doing just A star 3. Okay, now if I print A, sorry, yeah, you guys can see the answer. Okay, it has been printed 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, for this purpose, like we'll be using this repetition. For suppose like if I need for 5 times, it has to be repeat 5 times. Okay, it has been repeated 5 times. Okay, yeah, hope you understood this. Now let's see length. Basically length is nothing but this is used to find the length of tuples, like how many elements are present in tuples. Okay, so let me check the length of A. Okay, so basically already like I have taken the length here, right? It has been taken 3 already. If you want I can write again. Yeah, okay, you can see the length is 3. Okay, if I add one more, you guys can see the length is 4. There are 4 elements are available in tuple. Okay, to find the length we'll be using len, length. Okay, now minimum. So minimum is nothing but in tuple what is the minimum element we have. To find that we'll be using min. So minimum of A will be getting 10. So 10 is the minimum value we can see in tuple. Okay, and also we can see the maximum. So maximum value. So maximum of A, we can see 40 is the maximum value here in tuple. If I change this, if I write 100 is the maximum in this, if you guys can see 100 is the output we got in the maximum. Okay, now sum. Basically sum is nothing but this is used to add the complete tuple which we will be providing. Okay, Now let me take this, so it will be easy you to just add the things. Okay, yeah. So sum. Now sum of a, if I print 60, so 10 plus 20 is 30, 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay, by using sum, like we can add the like tuples, we can add the elements of tuples. Okay, and membership. Basically membership is nothing but, here we can see that is the particular element is present in that particular tuple or not. It is used to check this. Let me give an example for this also. Let me take 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay, so like how we have to write this is, I have to check. How can I check? Now I have to check any number is available in this particular tuple or not. For that I need to check this 20 is available in A or not. For that I'll be writing sorry, yeah, is 20 is available in A. So if it is available in A, it shows true. If it's not available in A, it shows as false. Okay, yeah, it is 20 is available in A, so it shows as true. Now for suppose like there is no 50 in this tuple. Okay, so I will write 50 is available in this variable A, so there is not available. If I execute, it will be showing as false. Okay, you guys can see it shows as false. Okay, this is how like membership will be using. Okay, yeah. So now I'm going to explain built-in methods. Basically in tuple there are only two built-in methods available because it's an immutable. So yeah, right. So the first one is count. This count is used to count the elements in tuples. Like basically if we provide any one element to count, it counts how many times that one particular element it has been repeated in particular tuple. Okay, yeah, let me give an example. So if I write 10, 20, 30 and again I will write 10 and 40, 50, 60, again I will write 10. Okay, now if I just write a dot count, I need to count the 10. I need to count how many times this 10 has been repeated. Okay, so if you see this, the 10 has been repeated 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the 10 has been repeated 3 times. If I want to see 20, the 20 has been repeated only one time, and if I add one more 20 here, you can see it has been it has been available 2 times. Okay, 2 times the element has been written in tuple. Okay, yeah, this is how like count will be used. And coming to indexing, basically indexing is nothing but, here like we'll be providing particular element. That element will be showing in which place, like in which indexing that element is located in. Okay, let me give an example. Let me take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now I'll be taking a dot index. I need to find is 40 is in, like in which indexing is the 40 is located. I have to check that. So if I write 40 here, so 40 is in third indexing. Okay, if we count 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys can see it's located in third indexing. Okay, this is how like indexing will be used in tuple. Okay, yeah, so hope you guys are understood about these built-in methods of count and indexing, and also like basic like operations in tuples like concatenation, repetition, length, minimum, maximum, sum, membership. Okay, if you guys have any doubts regarding these tuples or like basic operations, like comment down below, like I'll be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah, thank you.